Okay, here's my machine in 99% finished form. Go through a little bit of what I have, what I loaded, what software I'm using, add-ons, this, that, and the other. First, the screen. I ended up getting a 1366 by 720 touchscreen to use with the system. It's much easier. I have a mouse just in case I need it to use with this. I have it fully enclosed. It is a Nymolabs 5040 NBX with a 2.2 kilowatt spindle, liquid cooled. I have the vacuum table pump down there, the dust collector. I ended up getting a c-Tec quick disconnect hose for the auto dust boot, which I'm running a version of the auto dust boot so I can lower it down, raise it up using the touchscreen. Gotta figure out the hose. Gets a little kink sometimes, so I gotta go through that. I got the solo ATC changer with the Nymolabs Wireless Toolsetter. The 3D probe in the back. The dust shield right there. And then the 6-pocket tool changer in the back. And that's just one of my fixture plates that I haven't mounted. And I have a Pibot 4.9 Pro board. Also have the Pibot controller here for movement or whatever else. It is wireless or it is Bluetooth. I haven't set it up yet. I have the vacuum relay on for the machine for the lights and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the lid right now so I can open the door, and we'll go ahead and do a manual tool change. So let's go through and see what we have. Everything's been homed already, so I think tool 3 is loaded right now, so we'll make sure we'll assign tool 3. I'm going to just use this macro here that I have, the auto dust, or the solo tool change, which is right there. And go ahead and do one of the solos. And unload the tool, raise it up, and then you go in, pick up your bit, put a new one in. Make sure it's in there properly, and then go back to the screen. This is the only thing that Open Build's control doesn't show up, is the hold. We'll hit continue. Load. Tool setter. Get the coordinates. And we're going to do we'll jog the machine a little bit, move it around, and we'll make sure it's assigned to tool 3, so I don't want no issues. And we'll open up the console and do a M6 space T6. So M66. And it's asking to remove the dust boot, which is the lower section here, before it goes through. This is the only problem I've had, which I have to change software and click the unhold button here. And moved, drop the tool. sticks. Close the dust shoe. Move over. Measure the tool. Other than software and parameters, everything's pretty much set up. I'll have a whole list of everything I used in the video description to get it done. It did take me a little while sizing everything and the software, setting up the lights, the actuators for the lid. The most recent thing I got, like I said, is the dust boot shoe hose quick disconnect. But yeah, that's about it. If I have any questions, just PM me, or I'll answer them. Any of the files that I have for the dust boot will be available. And hope to see you soon. Bye.